The fourth index law that we're going to look at is when we have some base raised to the power of 0. Now, raising to the power of 0 is a little bit weird. It doesn't sort of make much sense. You can't have 0 things multiplied together. However, we still define this mathematically, and anything raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Now, this sometimes gives students a little bit of pause. They can't work out why this is the case. The best way to demonstrate this is to think about the patterns that we get emerging when we think about reducing the powers of things. So let's think about 2 to the power of 4. Well, 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 2's multiplied together, and that's going to be equal to 16. If I do, instead of 4, 2 to the power of 3, then I'm going to get 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. If I do 2 squared, that means 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the power of 1, that's just the same as 2. The next question is, well, I've been reducing this. What's 2 to the power of 0 going to be equal to? Well, to work out what it should be, we can look at the pattern on this right-hand side. Okay, how are we getting to each number from the previous one? 16 down to 8, well, I've just halved it there. 8 down to 4, I've halved that, or divided by 2. 4 down to 2, well, that's half of that. So half of 2, if I divide it by 2 again, I'm going to get 1. So with powers of 2, it kind of makes sense that 2 to the 0 would be 1. Let's pick a different power. Let's go 3. 3 cubed, that means 3 times 3 times 3. Well, that's just going to be 27. 3 squared, that's 9. 3 to the power of 1, that's 3. 3 to the power of 0, well, having a look here, 27 rather, if I divide by 3, I get down to 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So at each step we're dividing by 3. So again, dividing by 3 here, 3 divided by 3, well, again, that's going to be 1. And it doesn't matter what the number is here, when I get whatever that number is raised to the power of 0, I'm going to get 1 as my answer. So that's index law number 4. Anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1.